Hey guys, what's up? Alec back with the daily stock market, and look at that super green day on Friday. The stock market as a whole was green on Friday, and we have individual stocks up around 10% and 5% or more. Tesla up 6%, SoFi up 6%, Redfin was up 11%. We had things like Coinbase up 5%, Lucid up 5%. So we're going to go over a few of these different stocks in today's video. We're going to dive into some important headlines that everyone's talking about right now. So in case you missed it, make sure you stay to the end of the video. Drop a big thumbs up on this video. It's Saturday. It's an extra video taking time out of my weekend for you guys. So I hope you appreciate it, and let's dive right into it. This video is just going to be a quick update, but first things first, let's talk about Tesla stock at $207 per share, up 6% on Friday. Absolutely roaring back up. In the past couple months, in the last 3 months alone, we've seen 75% gains. So if you've been doing call options or swing trades, it's definitely paying off. I think that we will see a leg higher on Tesla to $215 per share or even higher. I've been posting on my close friends list that Tesla is going to be going up. So if you have been a part of that, it has been paying off. Which, if we dive into my close friends list, which is indicated by the green star in the top right, as you can see. So we can see Tesla looks like it's ready to break out to $210 to $215 per share. A call would be highly beneficial. Waiting for a better entry could be good also. April 6th. 217.5 or 215 call are both looking strong. Stop losses are set for no more than 50% losses. So as you can see, I give strike prices and expiration dates, stop losses, and everything in between. Obviously, that stop loss never triggered, because the next thing I was posting about 20 minutes later in the top, you can see that it was at 7:54 a.m. in California time. By the way, Tesla was up 20%. Tesla was up 30%. Tesla is now at 60%. Congratulations if you held Tesla at 11:52 a.m. I posted this update. You're now up 125% if you held. Congratulations. And we see many people with huge success stories posting over $100 made, $320 made, $380. Over a 47% and 81% gain. Lots of success stories. So if you want to be a part of that, here we see another $1,500 Friday. Is always a great feeling. DM me if you want to be a part of that program, so that you can see me going back in my archives there. So if you want to join and be surrounded by like-minded individuals and be a part of the program, make some easy trades, go ahead and message me at the Daily Stock Market on Instagram. I have a few more applications that I'm sending out this week, a few more spots. So take advantage of it now before the prices do go up. And if you want to be surrounded by top traders and follow what they're doing as well, we post stuff there all the time. Here we see Ricky posted a $7,000 gain on TQQ, said tech is booming. I'm going to be holding this for a bit. But going back to Tesla, what's going on with Tesla? Here we can see Tesla's back over to $200 per share ahead of Q1 deliveries. Lucid hit by recall, okay? And we also see a few other things going on, so let's go over it. EV manufacturers, especially the startups, are starting to make it or break it year. Admin challenges to ramp up productions. So this year for Lucid and Rivian, it's really going to be a make it or break it year. Here we can see that most electric vehicle stocks rose in the week ending in March 31st, with the broader market strength primarily responsible for upside. On the other hand, company-specific catalysts weighed down on some stocks, leading them to buck the uptrend. Here are the key events that happened in the EV space during the week. Tesla's rally, recall, and rumor. The $7,500 EV tax credit going away, allowed under the Inflation Reduction Act, is planning a workaround right now. Tesla's trying to plan a workaround because as of right now, the U.S. government has stipulated that to become eligible for the subsidy, a certain portion of the battery must be sourced from North America. The percentage stipulation is 40% for packs assembled in 2023 and will increase up to 70% by 2026. Okay, a Bloomberg report said that US-based company is contemplating setting up an EV battery manufacturing business in the US along with its Chinese supplier CATL. Tesla was plagued by another recall this week. This time it was related to the Tesla Semi that made commercially available on December 2022. The recall addresses faulty parking brake valve models manufactured by one of its suppliers. We also have a rumor going around right now that Tesla CEO Elon Musk is planning to visit China in April and possibly meet with Premier Li Qiang. The visit is noteworthy because China is Tesla's most important production hub and is one of its largest markets, especially moving forward. Tesla stock climbed back above $200 threshold this week with an upward momentum partly attributed to expectations of strong first quarter delivery numbers this week. Okay, so reread that last paragraph again. That's why a lot of people are saying that Tesla soared above $200 per share this week is because the upward momentum partly attributed to expectations of a strong first quarter delivery numbers that were just projected this week. We also see a bullish pattern, by the way, on Tesla on the monthly and 3-month chart. Rivian soars on positive Q1 expectations. Rivian Automotive up 7% also on Friday, was among the best performing stocks this week. Okay, an analyst said in a report that the company could report first quarter deliveries of 8,100 units, outperforming the consensus estimate of 7,100 units. The analyst based his deduction on Kelley Blue Book sales data. Now, also, let's go over Lucid real quick because we saw Lucid recall 637 Air sedans, which is a huge number because they're not delivering that many as is. Lucid issued a recall notice for 637 of its Air sedans due to the risk of power loss shutting down electric motors, which in turn caused a loss of drive power and increased risk of crash. This can happen due to the issue with electrically activated switches or contractors that unexpectedly open, cutting power to the electric motor. The company has asked customers to bring their vehicles to a service center to update the car's software and replace the contractor switches for free. So that's a good thing. Nikola to sell shares at a discount. Shares of struggling EV and fuel cell energy truck maker Nikola fell sharply 13% down on Friday after it announced a 100 million common stock offering at $1.12 a piece, down from $1.40 at which the stock ended on Thursday. Okay, so we could see them fall under $1 per share and even closer to 90 cents on Nikola. Now going over Go EV or Canoe, lifestyle EV maker, said in its fourth quarter earnings report that it just reached $1.5 million settlement with the SEC in regarding to a regulatory investigation that began in May 2021 regarding its SPAC deal. Business model, financials, and customer agreements, among with other things. The company also reported a deep downdraw in cash in the fourth quarter. And there is some other updates as well. Here's another one that people are watching, ticker symbol FFIE. So if you want to pause it and read that paragraph, you can. But if we keep scrolling down, we can see the week change. Tesla up around 9%, NIO up 15.8%, Xpeng up 15.4%, Li Auto up 24.9%. Wow, congratulations. And you can keep going down and seeing what's down and what's up. Nikola being the biggest loser, down 19%. But this Faraday Future, ticker symbol FFIE, they're down 4.9%. So it could be a good idea to look into them, see what's going on, if it's just FUD or if there's an actual concern, and maybe taking a call out on that ticker symbol, FFIE, or even doing a swing trade because they're one of the only EV companies that are down right now, along with Lucid is down 1.8% compared to Rivian, which is up 13.66%. So some of these ones could be a good idea to be at least looking into a call option. I'm not saying that's the right move to do this week. Remember, if you want to see exactly what I'm doing, go ahead and message me directly on Instagram. To join my close friends list and see exactly what expiration dates I'm looking at, what strike prices I'm personally taking, buying, when I'm selling, you get all these alerts straight to your phone so you can make the decisions yourself if you want to follow along. And if you're not part of the close friends list by now, then what are you doing? Because you've seen the thousands of success stories if you've been following along for a while now. Click on success number 8, success number 7. There's been so much success stories, so I want you to be the next success story and to make 2023 your year of stock market success. Again, thank you guys for all the love and support on Instagram and on YouTube. Share this video with a friend if you think that they will find it helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.